name is Tayfun Türkat. I have been marketing and sales manager for 30 years in international technology companies in the past. I directed marketing plans and budgets in one of Turkey's largest retail technology chains. You will learn where to start and what to do to make your marketing plan. I will share my 30 years of knowledge and experience with you. In this course, you will learn very easily to develop a marketing plan for your company. Workshops and templates in this regard are also provided to you in this training as additional information. In the next sections, you will see steps before planning, definition of strategic marketing plan, sample marketing plan, and then let's make your marketing plan, and the objectives of marketing segmentation, and life cycle of product and services. We have many definitions for marketing. One of them is marketing is the process by which companies create value for customers and build strong customer relationship in order to capture value from customers in return. Or let's see this one. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that we have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. So we have similar many explanations like this. Let's see the definition of marketing management. Marketing management is what guides a firm's marketing plan through the use of accurate market knowledge, which is usually obtained through research and surveys in a systematic approach. Through knowing a company's current market, setting realistic goals and targets, developing new market penetration strategies, and implementing effective marketing plans within budget are all part of marketing management. In short, marketing management is a business component that makes and develops an institution's marketing strategy. Marketing managers look for potential markets and seek to increase their company's presence in existing markets. In addition, marketing managers develop pricing strategies and methods that balance a reasonable return on investment for their product with the price consumers are willing to pay. They also monitor the success of their efforts and market trends. To do this, marketing managers use a variety of financial, accounting, and market research tools, and so they develop a marketing plan. In the next sections, I will show you simply to develop a marketing plan for your organization. Don't forget, if you don't have a marketing plan, then you don't have a marketing budget. If you don't have both, you cannot manage marketing program of your organization. So now we learned the importance of it and why we should plan it.